guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sam here, and today I'm filming my vanity and what's in my drawers. I recently moved, so I kind of decluttered and reorganized everything. I used to have one tall 9 Alex drawer, which was just like crazy. It was just too packed. And now that my stuff is more organized, I find like I'm reaching for different things more often. So I have my Alex drawer behind me, and I'll show you guys what I have in each drawer. Right now what I'm doing, I'm just have a makeup bag in my washroom. That's where I get dressed like really quickly in the morning, and I have all my brow products in there. So I've decluttered, so I have some storage downstairs in my basement with like extra makeup or like backups. So what you'll be seeing today is mostly what's in these drawers and what I use more often. So if you want to see my makeup collection, please keep watching. So I have the Alex desk with the 5 drawers on each side. I don't really keep anything on the top. I kind of like the clean look. I just have my Impressions Vanity mirror and it lights up when I get ready. And then my chair is from Wayfair. And underneath I just have some PR packages. So in my top drawer, this is where I have all my MAC lipsticks. Over here we have my regular MAC lipsticks. Then we have some limited edition, and then some more limited edition over here. And then at the back I have some other MAC lipsticks from the regular collection that I don't use that much. We have some more LE here, and then I also have some couple other brands I put in here. I have some nude sticks at the back. We have Makeup Forever, Bite, and then some Charlotte Tilbury. So this is my second lipstick drawer. It's basically all like liquid lip products. So we have lip glosses. These are all my MAC lip glosses, some LE back there, and then here we have some randoms like NARS, Too Faced, ColourPop. Then these are all lip toppers from Jouer, NYX, Tarte. And then we have our liquid lipsticks. So we have Anastasia, Ofra Cosmetics, and then some MAC at the bottom. And then this is also more liquid lipsticks. And then at the back I have a container with all my lip pencils. And these containers are from the dollar store. Then on the side we have my Huda Beauty lip products, her tin, the minis, and then some Kylie at the back. Okay, this is my last lipstick drawer. This is mostly Tarte. We have the Rainforest of the Sea lipsticks here. These are also from the Rainforest of the Sea collection, but it's the drenched, I don't remember what they're called, but this is the entire collection. Then we have some Tarte lip crayons here. In the front we have some Burberry lip palette and my NYX powder puffs. And then this container is mostly like just random lipsticks that I don't use that much. And then at the back I have mostly my like luxury lipsticks. We have YSL, Burberry, we have some Giorgio Armani, Tom Ford, Chanel, and Dior. This is my blush drawer. I really like how this drawer looks. These containers are from HomeSense. It's like Home Goods, and I got it in the kitchen section. It fits like everything perfectly. So over here we have my MAC blushes, and then the limited edition MAC blushes. And then at the front we have some Burberry, Tarte. These are all Milani, NYX. And then here we have Marc Jacobs, NARS, ColourPop, some drugstore blushes. And then these right here are all bronzers or bronzer palettes. And at the back I have just like my bigger palettes that I still have in the boxes that like can't fit in the storage. So we have some Chanel, some Fenty, we have some Dior, more Chanel, and some NARS. And there's just like a bunch of other bigger blushes and bronzers back there that can't fit. Okay, so this is some random palettes, mostly Tarte. I have all my Tarte in the front. Some random lashes, mostly face palettes and like little palettes I don't use that often. So we have some NYX. These are my bronzing palettes. I put them at the side because I actually use this one, the Park Ave Princess by Tarte, pretty often. So So I have like their blush book down there. Then we have the NARS liquid blushes because I don't have space for them in my blush drawer. And then these are all face palettes, and then like I said, just random ones. So we have some Becca, Marc Jacobs, Charlotte Tilbury, and then these are like, I have a blush palette, Oprah blush palette, and some contour kits. Okay, so in this drawer I have mostly my face products. So we have some eye primers, concealers, like contour sticks, more concealers. Then we have foundations. Then we have face primers, Marc Jacobs, Burberry, Smashbox. Then we have mascaras over here. And then in the back I have some powders, setting powders. I also have my eyeliners in this little container. I think these containers I got from IKEA. I love the look of this straw. It has all my glitter, loose pigments. We have some paint pots from Tarte, ColourPop, single shadows, all my glitter liners from Urban Decay. These are my liquid shadows from Stila. And then at the back, we just have some random eye palettes, Burberry, NARS, and then my Kiko single shadows. I have a bunch back there. And then I also have this little bin with my MAC single shadows. Then this is my favorite of all. This is my highlighter drawer. So we have some Ofra, we have MAC, Becca. These are limited edition MAC. We have some drugstore over here with Wet n Wild, NYX, Maybelline. We have Burberry, Anastasia, Dose of Colors, and then some random like Estee Lauder, Bobbi Brown, and Laura Mercier. And then right here, I have all my liquid highlighters. They're mostly the Wet n Wild Halo ones. And then we have some ColourPop. Then we have my loose glitter, some Artist Couture and Tarte. And then underneath that are my Estee Lauder, so like my Heat Wave and Crystal Baby. Then the back is the Mariah Carey body powder. We have some highlighting palettes back there. So we have the Huda 3D highlighters, all my Anastasia glow kits. This fancy one because it shouldn't fit. And the Chanel highlighter. Yeah, mostly all my glow kits are back there. Okay, so this drawer I'm not too proud of. It has all my brushes that I use right now. I used to have them on top of my vanity, but I don't like how they get dust in the little containers, so I kind of just threw them in here. But even though like they look messy, I know where all my brushes are, like my mini eye brushes, eyeliner brushes, mini face brushes, eyeshadow brushes, my highlighting and setting brushes, and then at the back are just all face brushes. Lastly is my palette drawer. So I've organized them by brand. So this is all my Anastasia. We have some Too Faced on both sides here. Some mini Makeup Forever single shadows. Then my mini MAC palettes are over here. And then we also have some mini Huda. And then like some random ones. We have NYX, MAC, Burberry, Dose of Colors. And then my two Huda Beauty palettes, Desert Dusk and the Rose Gold palette back there. And then over here we have ColourPop palettes. And then like at the bottom here we have all my Urban Decay. So Back Talk, Naked, the Heavy Metals, and Vice. So that's it for my makeup collection. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.